The importance of protecting your estate, regardless of how much you have, is really what do you want to have happen with that estate. In estate planning, we can do anything we want. We can set up funds for kids to go to college. We can set up trusts to be dealt with in the future. We can take care of your pets if you want to. So it's really a matter of what you want to do rather than your assets just getting distributed in a way that you don't want.
We don't want to talk about our death, and we're raised with this sort of understanding that we can't talk about our money out loud. We can't talk about our property. We can't talk about the value of our estates. So we have to sit down and establish a rapport and then talk about why it's important to be able to identify your property, your estate, so that we can then talk about how do you want it to be managed after you die. Most states, and I think all states actually, have what's called intestate succession laws, which means if you don't have a will, how is your property going to be distributed? And for many people, if you don't have a will, it will pass to the people you want it to pass to.
You gotta have experience, you gotta know what you're doing, you gotta know the tax code because that's gonna jump up and grab you. Plus, this is something that might last 20, 30, 50 years before it ever gets implemented, and you don't know if you did a quality job unless you really knew what you were doing going in. It's an important piece of kind of what you need to do and what you need to plan for your family, not necessarily for you.
If you haven't done your estate planning at this time, I would invite you to come to Pacific Cascade Family Law so that we can help you leave a gift for your family. Not just your assets, but the gift of letting your family know what it is you want so that nobody's left guessing.